Alright guys, starting up the spirit box, so let's get to it.
Did you hear
What?
that?
What?
You heard it? I heard that.
What you hear?
Oh, it's not gonna die. It's not like somebody thinking about this.
Hello? Is anybody in here? Come on guys. We know you guys are here.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. Promise that you never be lonely. Peter Pan, that's what they call me.
What's going on, y'all? I'm Otiscarmine. I want to welcome you guys back to another adventure. So, what I have for us tonight is we are back at the abandoned bowling alley, and we are here late at night because last time we were here, we caught a lot of voices. Not only myself, but my wife and Creepy. And yes, I am with Creepy Camper and my wife. So, let's get to it. Alright guys, so we're starting our exploration of the abandoned bowling alley at nighttime. It is about, I don't know if you guys can see that, 12:50 at night, or in the morning. What is this? Guys, so you're gonna have to bear with me. My camera, when it's on autofocus, it makes a lot of chatter, so I am doing manual focusing, so please bear with me. And we are going to be doing a spirit box spirit box session, and I brought a good speaker, so, and we will be doing it for a good session, maybe like 10-15 minutes. Also, let me take off my bag. I want you guys to check out my shirt. If you like this shirt, let me know. This could be start of my first piece of merch. Otiscarmine. Subscribe. If you like it, let me know. Comment down below. Got the earrings to match. You like it? I did have a pair of Adidas with some blue stripes, but I'm not wearing them here. Get them destroyed. So, yeah, let me know. Let me know if you like it. It could be my first piece of merch. You guys like it? All right. Let's continue. And the reason why, like I said before, the reason why we're doing it, we're back here so soon, is because we caught a lot of stuff here. I caught voices, I think Creepy caught voices, my wife caught voices, my wife even caught shadow figures, so. Yeah, this place did catch fire here. And once again, it's a drip fest in here, so we do gotta watch our equipment. And there are bats here.
Or it could have been the same one.
You think it was the same one?
Yeah.
I don't know. There was one in there, and then there was one flying around in here, so it could have been two different ones.
Could have been. Maybe sweating so bad.
How are you? It's hot in here.
It is. Then I'll get like a drift of like a breeze.
I don't see how.
I don't know where it's coming from. But it's like goes right past me.
Maybe it's a ghost saying hi.
Maybe.
Is anybody here? Anybody want to say hi? Talking to my camera? We're here just to communicate. Here's the bowling ball. You guys could probably remember this one from my first video. That's actually that cinematic with that bowling ball is where I caught my first voices. Are you hearing like da na 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 duh duh? It's crazy. We did decipher that. Maybe they were saying, here I am, stay right there, stay right there. It could have been a kid and a older gentleman. I did find out information on this place. It's been abandoned for about 40 years. The people who own this place, it got shut down, and the reason why it got shut down is because the owner was taking little children in the back and having his way with them. So, yeah, disgusting pig. And the house that we did also, if you watched my abandoned video, the part 1 of this, I'll leave a link in the description for that video. That we did a house right after. Apparently that was the owner's house, and my source tells me that the people who own this place were here more than they were in their own house, so they called this their home. So maybe the voices that we caught, maybe it's them, maybe they died and their spirit are emanating from here. You know? So
Could very well be.
come on, guys. We know you guys are here. Just talk to the camera.
Like I said, you're not touch us.
You touch me.
No, you don't want to let them touch you. You don't want to do that.
I'm not scared. You want to touch me?
That's why I need Jackie
You could touch me.
for me on that.
You want to talk to me? You could talk to me. You want to talk to my camera? Talk to my camera. I am not scared of you guys. I'm far from scared of you. Well, if you say you could touch them, they can enter your body?
Yeah, you don't know what you're letting to do that. You don't want to do that. Why stop saying that?
Alright guys, sorry for the cut. I seen the cinematic
It's busy. Why stop?
and I decided to do it very full. This place is pretty torn up. This is Mother's Day weekend that we are filming on. I do want to say Happy Mother's Day to my gorgeous and beautiful wife. Also, I want to say Happy Mother's Day to my mother, Loretta. Happy Mother's Day. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be filming right here in this abandoned bowling alley. What? What?
Where's the weirdest thing? There's no water over here. Something wet just went on my arm.
It's the outside. Last time we were here, wasn't this grown in.
Maybe it was sweat from my own body.
It's raining out.
Is it?
Yeah, it wasn't supposed to rain tonight.
Oh, what is that thing right there?
It's a radio tower.
Oh, cool.
I don't know what MOB is, but I'm sure it's a gang. Whatever.
Could have been for me.
I guess. Could have been.
Go to the pool.
Ew. That's weird. I wonder what this was for. Got old finish. This is their shingles, roof shingles. I like this. This is how big this thing, my lens is. This is a sheetrock. Sheetrock. Look at that fly.
Yeah, it's been following us.
Has it?
Yeah.
Is it a fly or is it a spider? That's a spider. Oh no, that's a fly.
That's fine. I don't know if it's the same one, but I know it's kind of around me and you. I'm sorry. Show my face.
Just looking through.
What?
I filmed this. I gotta cut that out.
Oh, yeah.
Because I don't know if they're still in business.
Yeah, you can't have that up.
It's like, oh. This is where we gotta be careful, guys. This is where all the leakages come out.
What?
Leakage. Guys, you know I do this in every spot we go to. That's got a thermostat. I'm gonna turn it up. Let's get that heat going, okay? Oh, it's already on 80. I don't know if y'all can see that.
That's why it's so damn hot.
Oh, excuse my language. It'll drop right on my camera, right on the lens.
I think it's starting to come down harder.
Yes, it is coming down harder. The weather lied to us. The weatherman lied. It wasn't supposed to rain tonight, and they lied to us. Good darn it! They lied to us. What's supposed to rain today? Stop. Buck duck. Get that? You buck a duck. You take a pipe, right? You take a pipe, and you go. I'm being really loud. What am I stepping on? What?
I said, you always say about being quiet. When we're out, you're one of the loudest people.
No, I'm not. I'm far from it. I just like having fun.
You might have to end it early.
Yeah, I wanted to get two videos in. Oh,
Because you're going tomorrow night.
I don't think I'm going to be able to get 2 videos in. This place, this room I didn't get last time I was here. I think this big door was closed, and I just automatically assumed there wasn't a room in here. But come in here, and look what we got here! Another bathroom. This place must have 30 bathrooms.
It's insane. This might be like a shower.
Huh?
Like a shower room.
Why does it remind you of that?
Just reminds me of like a shower. I guess the way the floor is, it just reminds me of like, it'd be like a shower. Just get a shower in here. I've never seen a place have so many bathrooms.
Oh,
Insanity.
we gotta watch out. It's like it's coming down outside. You can hear
I
it.
wish maybe start getting ready to pack up soon.
I want to do a spirit box session.
Huh?
I want to do a spirit box session before we shut it down.
Well, let's do it now.
Oh, creepy. Come here, man. Yeah. Let's do a spirit box session now because it's pouring outside. You want to hear it?
Yeah, I hear it pour.
I already had a drop land on my lens.
Did you?
Yeah. So
Well, come on. Let's do this.
let's do spirit box session and shut it down, guys. I wish we could do it longer, but like I said, the weatherman lied to us. It wasn't supposed to rain tonight, not at all.
We can't take the chance to ruin our equipment. We're
Yeah,
not just
we're-
going to throw money away neither.
Yeah,
We
like-
post content for you guys, but we have to make sure that our
Look,
equipment
this
stays-
camera that I'm using right now, I've spent about $1,000 between camera, adapter, and lenses. So, and I don't have $1,000 in my ass or in my back pocket just to buy another one.
Alright, well, go ahead. If you want to take it out,
So
take it out.
we're gonna get the spirit box up and running.
Yeah,
I'll get back with you when we do that. All right. All right, guys. Starting up the spirit box. So let's get to it.
behind us.
Did you hear
What?
that?
What?
You heard it?
I heard that.
What you hear?
No, it's not going to die.
Sound like somebody came from back there.
Hello? Is anybody in here?
So if those are actually somebody was in here, they come from here, came from back there.
Maybe it's just the voices echoing, you think?
Maybe.
If you have voices echoing.
Does anybody here want to talk with us? Anybody here want to talk? Me too.
Yeah. Mine's good.
You guys got good. You guys can see far.
See, look, now it's moving.
Look at his. Yeah, but if I go that way with all y'all lights, I still can't see nothing.
Yeah. Who's here? Who wants to talk?
Who's here? Anybody want to communicate? And Silk, we have your name?
You guys.
Why does it sound so low? Doesn't it sound low? No. Well, I know the batteries are dying on this. You don't charge the batteries.
What else you got? No batteries?
Yeah, at the house.
Nothing wants to talk tonight, huh?
What's that?
And me.
Sound like me.
Sound like baby.
What was that? You want to say it again? We're here to communicate.
Do you want us out of here? Are you trying to hurt us?
Okay. What? Yeah, it seemed like it was louder. I think it's the spirit box itself. I think it needs new batteries.
How long have you been here?
We know you're here, so you can speak anytime you want.
I'm not scared of you.
Well, we were at the material plant. This thing was screaming.
I'm not scared of you. You don't scare me.
Oh, why?
I think it's not
Or is
enough.
that rain coming out a little harder?
Yeah, it's raining out. It's raining hard out. Come on, we know you guys are here, so just talk to us. Let us know what's going on. Last time we were here during the day, we got a lot of activity.
But then again, the speaker is louder. They say stuff, but we can barely hear it too.
You know what's funny? Is when we were at the training school, it didn't sound that loud, but when I played back the video, it sounded so loud.
Do you despise us? Where are you from?
Do you like pickle beets? I heard him say yeah. I swear I heard him say yeah.
I don't like beef. At least somebody done. I served enough of that tonight.
Oh.
Should have been my job and ate.
Do you like the dill pickles?
Are you afraid of us?
I'm not here to hurt nobody.
Have you ever boofed before?
If you prove it, I'll boof it.
I don't know.
Is there any spirits in here that would like for us to help them?
Oh, you know what? You know what? I see what it is. You guys are chicken shit, and you're scared and don't want to talk. I get it.
If you're here, knock 1 for yes, 2 for no.
Anonymous, please.
Huh?
If you like to do that anonymous,
I think the speaker's too low. I hear something, but
I don't know. I think it's the spirit box. 'Cause look, see the batteries are dying.
here's the charger.
They don't charge. Yeah, I think the batteries. As small as it is, it probably takes triple A.
can you say something, or do you not have enough energy to say? Are you a weak spirit?
Listen, no matter if we can't hear through the speaker, our cameras will pick it up. It'll be louder when we play it back, so we'll understand what you'll say when we watch it back. What did you say? I know you just said something. Come on. Don't be a booty. Something like that. Okay, I guess you don't want to move that chain, so. You know what it is? You're just too damn weak to move that chain. Too damn weak. You know what it is? You're just a weak spirit. You can't handle nothing. You can't handle shit. You can't talk into this damn speaker. You can't even talk into our damn camera. So you can't make the chain move. You can't talk to them. You're just a weak individual. So you are a weak individual, so it makes you a weak ghost.
That sounded like no, I'm not.
Okay, well, if that's what you said, no, you're not. Show us. Move the damn chain.
I know y'all heard that.
What?
It was like
That's me, bro.
that bugged me. That bugged me out.
Y'all jump. Yo. Oh my God. Yo, they jumped back like they saw a ghost. And it was just Otis. Otis was just jumping around like, look. Otis is a jerk face. Oh yeah. Like I said, if you like this shirt, it could be my first merch. Otiscarmine, subscribe. Alright, well. Looks like the ghost ain't coming out to play. So I'm gonna shut it down, guys. Ghosts, they suckers. They just suckers, you know. But listen, we all gotta grow together, one way or another. And what happened? Are they talking now? Now they want to talk? Figures. I walk away and they want to talk.
I put it on my camera. I was close like this.
Alright, well.
I was gonna shut it down, but yeah, fuck it. Bye, you ungrateful bastards.
Oh, please, come on.
Alright, so, like I said, we all gotta grow together. So, like I said, if you guys like the shirt, let me know down in comments below. Just let me know. That could be my first piece of merch. Thanks for coming along on my adventure with me. make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Make sure you hit that like button. Don't smash it, caress it, love it, show you that you care, own that shit. Thank you for being a part of my adventures too, also. I love you guys. If it wasn't for you, I wouldn't be here. So yeah, thanks a lot. Make sure you go check out Creepy Camper. You know, there's a good portion of the video that he wasn't with me, so he might have caught something that I didn't. You know what I like to say? Live full, live free. It's your life. Show it how you want it to be. And with that, we'll catch you on the next adventure. Later.